Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today with lunch again, or it could be dinner. I had it for dinner last night and I loved it. Still following that easy trend, what recipes are easy for you? When you read through the instructions, think, and can I get this done? Can I realistically get this done in a short amount of time? Is it something that I know I can do pretty quickly to get you in and out of the kitchen fast? And this is what this dish is all about. When I was looking for dishes, this is a Korean ground turkey bowl. And while I've got the rice cooking, I can get the onions started and the ground beef going. And while the ground beef is going, I can get the sauce made up. It's a simple and beautiful Korean sauce that you whip up. And as soon as the ground turkey is done, you pour the sauce in and let it sit for a couple of minutes. That's it. And then you can just turn it off and let it sit for longer. It'll thicken up and really soak in those juices. Meanwhile, while all that's going, I'm roasting some veggies. So you just got to think of the steps. I got the rice going. I could probably put the veggies in and let them roast. Meanwhile, I'm getting the onions going and the ground beef in there and the ground turkey in there. And then I'm making the sauce. So bam, 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 bam. And then just in reverse order, I take the sauce, put it in the turkey, boom, pull that off, get the rice is already done, put that on top, and I've got this beautiful bowl right here. Guys, it's coming out in the app tomorrow. I hope you love it. Or this Thursday, I hope you love it. Take care, team. Bye-bye.